Oldsmobile here to take a look at it. Unique, especially in classics. 1955 Oldsmobile 88 four-door sedan. This particular car actually with the same family in Iowa up till the time when it came to Minnesota here. And that was somewhere, from what I can tell by receipts, around 2012 when the engine was rebuilt in it. We'll get into that more just here in a little bit. 324, speaking of engine underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. As you can see, the orange and white color combination. Go ahead and take a look at the chrome bright work up front. Of course, in one of the Tri-5 Oldsmobiles, you're going to have a lot of the chrome around this car. Take a look at the Oldsmobile script. Of course, the Oldsmobile logo on the hood. Now, as far as the hood and some of the paint, it does show its age a little bit. There's some spots where it's been touched up. You can see here, and a few little spots over here. And if you check out the still pictures, I tried to get some still pictures of it too. There's one little spot where the whites, it's like they kind of fogged in an area or kind of repainted an area in the fender. The white's a little bit off. But hey, this is one of those, get in, drive it. We're going to start it up here in a little bit so you can hear how it sounds. And take it to your local roll-ins, cruise-in shows. Have some fun with it. Still pictures so you can see the underside, the engine bay, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. We'll take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You can see the cars nice and straight. These long panels, obviously, if they have a bunch of body work done to them, it is going to show. And nice and straight panels. What you can see from the front to rear. Cloth interior, front bench seat. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little bit closer. When we start it up, look at the dash. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Spare tire mounted on the rear. Dual exhaust. There is also a receipt for the engine being rebuilt in 2012. And I'll take a picture of kind of the write-up in the receipt when that engine was done. Unfortunately, the owner's no longer with us, so the second family to own this car is who has us representing it for them and here on consignment. When we look underneath the hood, you're going to see that it has an Edelbrock carb on it. It's a 600. It also has a new harmonic balancer was in the receipts, and also chrome valve covers. So you can check those things out in the receipt and what was done to the engine on the rebuild. And again, those will be in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Probably over 100 pictures of this car online also. All right. Let's take a look at this interior door panels, carpeting, and as you can see, the fabric on the seat free of rips, tears, holes. Headliner intact and in nice shape. As far as interior options, the stock radio I did not have working. There is an aftermarket radio that is in the glove box down here that does work, and there's pictures of that with the still pictures also. I can hear the clock actually working over here, so the clock does work in the dash, kind of cool. And look at this gauge cluster and how nice this looks. Bright work and chrome around there. Very nice shape. I've had the wipers working. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Good sounding car with that dual exhaust. You can see the fuel gauge popped up there. When we start it up, you're also going to see the oil pressure come up. That was a cold start, FYI. I've only had this running a little while earlier. Odometer reads 61,433. Kind of tough for me to get you to see that without that speedometer needle moving, but 61,433. Unfortunately, cannot confirm or deny that being original miles because it doesn't stay with the title. Once a car is a certain age, it becomes just an exempt marking on there. Anything else about this interior? Take a look at the top of the dash. That engine is running and running smooth. Slip around to the back so you can hear it. Doors close nicely. Kind of a cool color combination. A little bit of a street rod look, but yet kind of kept that old school classic look to it too. But nothing crazy on the exhaust, just nice little rumble. Remember, 324 Rocket V8 underneath the hood. Speaking of which, let's come up to the front, pop this hood, take a look at what's underneath there, and we'll wrap up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's the hood liner, hood pop. Again, newer aluminum radiator. It does have the Oldsmobile chrome valve covers. That was done when the engine was being rebuilt. A little dress up underneath there with a chrome air cooler cover. Over here, chromed alternator. Got some kind of dressed up things underneath the hood. But wow, listen how smooth that runs. Good sounding engine. 1955 Oldsmobile 88 four-door sedan. Actually, two families have owned this since new. That is it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. I'm going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.